Hi, this is Jeff from Republic of Gamers. We're here at CES 2019, and I'm here to show you the Zephyrus S GX701.
Take the leap.
Dieses Video wird euch vom Asus ZenBook Pro 15 präsentiert.
Unleash your creative power.
Weitere Infos erhaltet ihr in der Infokarte.
So this is the first 17-inch Zephyrus that we've done. This is part of our ultra slim laptop family where we try to deliver the performance of a full-size desktop in an ultra slim package. So the first time we've done a 17-inch model. What we've done though is not sacrificed anything about the display. So you can see it has slim bezels. This allows it to fit in about the same footprint as a 15-inch laptop. The panel itself refreshes at 144 Hz with an ultra-fast 3 millisecond response time, and it also supports G-Sync. Now what we've done here is implemented our proprietary GPU switch, which allows you to, with a few clicks and a reboot, switch between G-Sync mode for gaming, but then also Optimus mode, which extends your battery life. We noticed that with a lot of these laptops, we not only have people who buy them who play games, but also content creators, people who do video editing, photo editing. Accurate colors are really important for them, so we actually have a Pantone validated display that has guaranteed color accuracy. A couple of other things you'll notice with this, it's the first time we've done a per key RGB keyboard on a Zephyrus model. We've also got this nice little volume wheel here to control the volume, and actually there's an individual LED under that the louder you make the volume, the brighter it gets. Cooling is really important for these ultra slim laptops. We do a couple of things to make this better. The first is the AAS active aerodynamic system. So when you close the laptop, it actually becomes thinner, but when you open it up, there's an extra vent that opens in the bottom. This dramatically increases the airflow that we were able to get into the system. We also move the keyboard forward. Now this does a couple of things. First, it allows more room for the cooling here, so it allows us to make a chassis that's only 18.7 millimeters thin, but still have enough cooling in there for an RTX 2080 Max-Q processor. So we can draw additional airflow from above here. And what this also does is puts the keyboard far away from any of the components that generate heat. So if you're playing games for 4 to 6 hours, you're inevitably going to get the CPU and the GPU heating up a little bit over here, but your hands will be really far away from that so you can keep a nice cool area around there. Another thing that we've done with the cooling design, if you look at it here, we've got heat pipes not just for the CPU and the GPU, but also one that covers the power components. This helps improve the long-term stability of the system. We've got outlets here at the back and then on both sides. And if you look at these fins, these are really, really thin and really packed tightly together. The fins themselves are only 0.1 millimeters thin. You notice there's not a lot of room in there for dust. Everybody has seen those pictures of people who open really old cases that are filled with dust. We really don't want dust to get into the system, so we have a special anti-dust design in the fans themselves. So you look at here, we actually have a small little anti-dust channel. So any dust that gets into the system gets sort of pushed around the outside through this channel and then right out the back of the system. Another thing you can see here is our liquid crystal polymer fans. This has 83 blades each. It's actually really difficult to make a fan with blades that are this thin that don't deform at the high speed that this needs to spin at. Another thing that we've done with this system is realize that battery life is really important for people who have these gaming laptops. Obviously, you're not going to get amazing battery life when you're playing games, but people use these laptops for much more than just that. So we've increased the battery size by 50% over the previous generation. It's now 76 watt hours. We've also added Type-C charging support to give you a little extra flexibility. So a laptop like this comes with a big, heavy power brick, which you really need to get the full power of the system for gaming, but you don't always need that for just web surfing or working on emails or things like that. So USB power delivery support allows you to use a small USB charger like this, up to 65 watts, which is more than enough if you just want to do sort of basic office work and productivity work with the system, much lighter and smaller and easier to carry around. And support for the USB power delivery standard also allows you to charge off a small USB power pack like this. So if you're away from a wall socket, if you're on a train or something and you need a little extra charge to finish some work, you can plug in a standard USB power pack and get a little extra juice. Now, if you look at a system like this, one of the biggest challenges with having a slim bezel display is where do you put the webcam? If you put it at the bottom here, it looks up your nose, which is not a great angle. If you put it in the top, there's really not a lot of room for a high quality webcam. Now, on a normal consumer laptop, we can get away with something that's only 720p and not very good quality, but for gaming, we have a lot of streamers who want good resolution and good speed. So what we did for this one is develop an external camera instead. So this little unit right here goes up to 1080p resolution at 60 frames per second. It folds up really small, so it's about the size of a USB thumb drive. Nice thing is it's really very flexible, so you can mount it on the top of the display like this. You can also take it off. You can put it in a little stand that comes with it, or you can mount it on top of a desktop monitor if you prefer that with your gaming laptop. It connects via USB, so it's very easy to use. It also has special software that comes with it that will actually identify your face in the scene and brighten that area so you don't need a separate spotlight. So in terms of specifications, this is available with the latest GeForce RTX 2080 Max-Q GPU. We've got a 6-core Intel processor in here, up to 24 gigabytes of RAM and a 1 terabyte SSD. This also has 802.11 AC Wi-Fi with the latest Wave 2 version of it, so it goes up to 1.7 gigabits per second. And this also uses our range boost technology. So we've actually got 2 pairs of separate antennas in the system, and what this does is it actually monitors your environment and figures out which pair of antennas gives you the best signal, and then automatically switches to those, and it does this on a constant basis, which gives you a little bit better Wi-Fi reception, a little bit better range, and really just improves the overall experience with the system. So this is our latest Zephyrus laptop. It's the most compact 17-inch gaming laptop that you can buy, and is the sort of the pinnacle of the Zephyrus lineup for CES 2019.